Welcome to Career Services tutorial on how to go ahead and add your picture to your profile. First, you'll access the Handshake landing page by using your username and password. You want to go over here to where your name will be or the circle. Click on it and click on My Profile. Next, you're going to come over here and click on the pencil icon. You will go ahead and click Edit Photo, and you will go ahead and browse your photos to add a photo. You want to make sure your photo is centered and make sure this box is not checked, because it's very important that employers are able to see your professional picture so that they can identify your picture with your resume and your information. You want to go ahead then and save your picture and then click Save again. And that is how you go ahead and add your picture to your profile. Have a great day.